Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a quick video on the Nextbase 320 XR, and this one is this camera here, and it has got a rear camera bundle. So what I find is a lot of people are having problems when they connect it all up. As you can just zoom out here, you can see this is the rear camera here. It's going out to the back, it's connected up. So when you switch on the camera, hit the on button, and then usually here there should be a little wee square showing the reversing camera on it, and if you press this one here, it should then change to the front and the back cameras. But that isn't happening, and a lot of people have the issue with that, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Let's do it. Please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell. Okay, so when they're connecting the connection, a lot of people just put it in like this, but you have to sort of twist it. I can show you now. That looks like it's in properly there, but there you go. You have to get that click. See, you can see there's a bit of a gap. If you zoom into that, Evan, you can see there's a bit of a gap. That's not correct. So pull it out and twist it around, and there. It has to be nice and tight like that, and that's how you get. That's how you get the camera working in this instance. Now, as we can see, there's the little wee square on the left hand side of the screen, working perfect. Let's just click this here, it moves it over to there, and then we click it again twice, and there's the rear view camera. So that's how it's done. So a lot of people are having a mistake where they're not clicking it in properly. It's a really simple thing to do. You just have to get that clunk. Yeah, so really easy. Hope this video is helpful to whoever sees it and who needs to find out how to fix this issue. And thanks for watching the video. Take care, please subscribe.